Now we are halfway to how we will assemble the walk behind tractor, Tilmor walk behind tractor. We unbox it with the young guy helping me to assembly. It comes with boxes like this, and you will have to put the assembly together. Only 2 boxes left. So far we have put together with 2 hints. It will come with the cultivator, finger cultivator, and three rows pulse weeder. Already complete with this, and still many basket weeder in this box. It will take a while to assemble the whole thing. This guy is still helping me to unbox the whole thing, so the engines and the cultivator will look like this. It comes with a menu. Stay tuned and check my third video for next part.